but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together.
Yo, what's up? Do you still remember when I was welcoming you like that every single day? That was like 1 year ago. Anyways, I'm in Seminyak right now. Gonna show you a little bit of the Seminyak and Legian part by the beach. Heading now to La Plancha area. Walking on the brand new promenade, which is under the construction. Some parts are already done. In some other parts are like blocks of the, prefabricates like this one. And behind me is La Plancha, so let's see how's the life going on in Seminyak right now today. Been a while when I was here last time, to be honest. It's 5:15, middle of the week. The promenade will actually crossing the La Plancha. La Plancha is over here, seems busy as always, actually, so many people. To give you a little bit of the point of view, how's the life looking in Seminyak. Behind me is La Plancha, full of people at 5 o'clock. And on the other side of the beach, there's different bar. Looks pretty the same, but there is nobody. With this difference, actually La Plancha also is not as that busy, but with this difference as La Plancha is like a beach bar and there is like a club music around. There is like an empty gap. Actually nothing is here, somebody put the sunbeds. And here is the other warung bar, beach bar with the live band. It's actually live band is preparing, it's gonna be playing later on. And if you are facing that direction, there is Legian and Kuta and stuff. This is the place where I am, obviously, La Plancha, legendary place. And everything is going more into Canggu. So facing now Canggu, more into west. There's so many restaurants, so many bars, and seems like more and more people actually everywhere. And of course, focus, oh my God, this water is coming. Let's focus a little bit on the ocean. Actually so much. Hours close. The bean bags are washed. I was lucky, that's the experience. Meanwhile, let's focus a little bit on the ocean. Actually, the bean bags are swimming away. It's so funny, actually. So that was a little bit situation from the beach. I want to show you La Plancha. Maybe some of you are interested how's the life and what you can find here. People enjoying. There are some bracelets lady also trying to sell you something. Their luck. Everybody trying to make something. La Plancha is pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you. It's not like it's quiet, full of people. I'm going now to the street direction, but little bit I wanna show you around. People enjoying their life, that's for sure. Look at this guy, he's carrying so much stuff. Yo, the Gado Gado is over here. There was like a closed beach, but they opened. There is like a construction, little bridge, you pass. And there are some bars actually next to the construction site. Behind us is the famous Gado Gado. There's the construction workers enjoying their time. There is guys selling drinks. So currently bars in Seminyak looks like this. So it's a little bit funny situation. Also surfing schools, stuff like this one. That's the Seminyak part. This is the backside of the famous La Plancha. I just want to show you. It's so funny to walk here because you walk and from the left, from the right, from the back, from the front, people are driving and the pub seems smaller and smaller here because the construction and so many motorbikes parking everywhere. So it's a lot of fun actually here. But this area also attracts people with small kids. So here we go, guys. That's exclusively for you. From Seminyak, from the area of La Plancha. Yo! Oh, I feel a little bit like a Casey Neistat who recently come back to New York City from LA after 2 years, after 3 years actually. And so many people recognize him and some people recognize me. So sometimes it's good to go somewhere. I go somewhere 1, 2, 3 weeks, come back for 1, 2 weeks, go again. That's actually cool. This is like it's called balance, because if too much Bali is not good, if too much traveling it's not good. So you have to find some balance. This is what I'm working on it now. If you ask me about the condition of the Kokon Beach Club, it's closed. Nothing has changed. It's exactly the same like it was previously. Just met some our fans again. This is actually second time today, and this is the main entrance to the Legian Beach 66. This is the border. This is like a part 2 of today's video, moving more into Legian now. And when I'm walking on the street here, I want to make a little bit raw material to show you. It feels a little bit quieter. I'm not gonna say it's quiet, but seems quieter. So I'm gonna stop for a while, show you around how does it look, the situation on this side of Seminyak Legian actually. There's Zanzibar at the front and the pavilion. And well, the situation, I'm gonna go to the beach. Oh, sorry for the shakiness, I nearly fall down. The beach situation, little bit, it's sunset is coming soon. There's some bar, not so many people actually on the beach, right? So comprehensive situation. How does it look like in pavilion? I know many of you actually asking about this place, and this looks like this one. It's busy enough, but not as that much, right? There are some local drivers waiting for you, give you offer. Overall, I'm gonna tell you guys, I feel like it's quieter. I mean, you may not agree with me, but I have a feeling like this. This is quieter. And the situation, one more time, beach bars, not that busy, hey? But let's go next. This is Kumala Pantai, the Sands. There's like a time between holidays, somebody said like that. So next week, somebody said it's gonna be busier. It's made be like this one. Meanwhile, a little bit view of the beach. At the front, this is the coffee club. I just realized the coffee club is very popular in Thailand for some reason. And overall situation on the streets. Oh, here we go. The guy is grilling the corn here. I'll zoom a little bit for you. It's a beautiful shot actually, where it's like sunset and the flag and coconut trees. So the jagung Bali. Jagung is the corn in local language, by the way. So it's the little bar. Also seems like a bakso sellers here. The bars, everything doesn't looks like super busy. I mean, it was. Thank you, brother. It was actually during the pandemic. I had a feeling as this area was busier, especially for sunset. The bakso. There's not so many local people, not so many tourists. I don't know, maybe I have a feeling like this one, but looks pretty like that. Not so much. So I'm making video here, and this guy said, "Damian, I know you. This is like a local seller in Seminyak Beach. What's your name of the bar, brother?"
PJ Beats Bar, bro.
Yo.
Hi Damien, how are you, brother?
How you doing, guys?
I've been on Bobo's, now I'm on Damien's. Oh my god, next time I'll have my own soon.
So yeah, guys, I met some fans, met some other YouTubers who are at the same time the fans. Overall situation in Legian in Seminyak looks like this one today. It's getting busy a little bit. It's a little bit quiet. It's hard to say. Yo, what's up? So it feels a little bit like a kind of celebrity here in Bali, local celebrity. Well, just lucky day. Many people meet me. This is Seminyak. Seminyak is more popular than other parts, so some people know me. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, listening. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care, guys.
Don't wanna spend one night without your love. Don't wanna miss one fight. So listen, girl.